para tayo maging clear saan ba ang metes and bounds ng executive privilege. Ito po ay sumasakop sa conversation and correspondence between the President and the public official, military, diplomatic, and other national security matters, information between intergovernment agencies before the conclusion of treaties and executive agreements. Siyempre po, nagde-negotiate yan. Napakahalagang hindi muna ipakita yung cards dahil part of the negotiation. Fourth, discussion during closed-door cabinet meetings or even cluster meetings, cabinet cluster meetings. And 5, matters affecting national security and public order. Pagdating po dun sa panglima na matters affecting national security, nako, para na ho yun yung default. Parang lahat naman ho affecting national security, di ba? So, yung invocation ng executive privilege, binibigay yun sa executive kung ayaw nilang ma-reveal kung ano nangyari.